Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on this app called EasyHTML, which is basically a place where you can design your website but not let it out. Now the cool thing about it is that it has its own database, and like the name says, it's very easy. And guys, I'm very sorry for not uploading for a long time. I was just busy and I couldn't do it. So guys, all you need to do is first download it. It is free. So go on to or Play Store or App Store or whatever place you have for downloading, and just type in EasyHTML. Now it will right here pop up, and now just download it. I already have downloaded it. So after you go into it, it'll create a sample.html. I already did something here, but as we can see here, it created a pretty long code. So basically, if you tap on the arrow that was right here, then you end up in the home. Now by default it's in Russian. To change that, you tap on the little settings button here. Then you tap on language and you can change your language. Sometimes it bugs out because, like I said, it isn't, this isn't really that much of a application that's developed a lot. But basically when you end up here, you tap on documents and example.html will be automatically generated. Now here we have this code. Now here is a place where you can explore a little bit this app, because here on the bottom there is a few options. There's editor, browser, and console. So editor is all the code, browser is the outcome, and console is basically mostly what's happening in JavaScript, and you can execute also something. So if you tap on browser, as you can see, this will pop up, and if you do touch me, it does a pre-made thing by this. And as you can see, there's a 1 on console, because in console it says button touched, because we pressed this button. And as you can see, it is pretty cool. The touching, I think it's really satisfying. But also, after a long time, these things will get a little bit annoying, but that's just how it's. Let's actually get some work done. Now, this tutorial, I will not be teaching you any HTML or CSS. I am just showing you how this application works. Now, let's click the plus, and here we will have create folder, file, import, or close. I recommend doing a file, a folder for your project. So let's just name it test. Now here you'll say test empty folder because there's nothing in it yet. So if we click on it, press on the plus sign, and we click file. Now here it shows HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or other. And in other, we will have to write, for example, if we want to make a Java file, then we write java dot, for example, Java. Or let's just say test dot Java. But then that will also require some other things. So let's create a file that has HTML. Now it will show up this. You can name it however you want. And it will right away create a little basic thing. I will explain it to you next tutorial. Now, if we hit a plus, we can also create a CSS only file. And so here we have that already. And we can also create a JavaScript ready file. And it will not really have anything in it. Okay guys, so that's gonna be it for today's mini tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.